going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Keith's Place. This is going to be just a quick, well, not an unboxing. I've already taken this stuff out of the package here. This is a Feelworld 6-inch viewable, daylight viewable monitor, 1920 by 1080 screen resolution with a 2600 nit brightness. And that's one of the things that attracted me to this monitor, was that 2600 nit brightness. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take this out of the box. And again, I've already taken this stuff out of here. Put that to the side. Instruction manuals and warranties and all this good stuff. Put that right there. Comes with this L bracket. You got a cold shoe on top. You've got a mounting screw type thing here. And you've got a mount right here to mount onto your cold shoe of your camera. This is the cable that came with it. Full HDMI to, I believe, micro HDMI. Let me go ahead and take this apart. And this screws, this, well, not screw, this goes into there like that. Put that to the side. And this is about 3 feet in length. Now going on to the monitor itself. Again, the screen right here is 1920 by 1080. Feelworld Ultra Bright 2600 nits. Starting with the top of the unit right here, we have your menu right here. This is also a selector. You can turn it this way or you can push it in like that. This is your on and off button. Press and hold. I've already got a battery on here. Again, I've already opened this before. The side here, you got your HDMI in, HDMI out. The back of it, an active cooling fan. You know, a bright screen like this is going to probably take some type of active cooling. You have some passive cooling vents over here. And to remove the battery, you want to press this button like that. And if you want to put the battery back, if you want to put the battery back on, just click it just like that. And that'll prevent this from coming off. You have to press this button to get this battery off. Okay, going around the monitor, you've got a mounting point right here. You've got a mounting point right here. You got your SD card reader to load your LUTs. Got your DC out 8.4 volts. You've got DC in to 12 volts, so you can power this unit instead of using the battery, and headphone jack. Okay, did I miss anything? Mounting points, and the mounting points. Let me just show you real quick. Well, I'll show you in some B-roll how that'll look. About putting this on here, mounting this to the monitor, and mounting this to the monitor. I'll show some B-roll. Matter of fact, I'll show you that right now. As you can see here, you can mount it with the L bracket. This is how it looks, and you can mount it with the other little, I guess I forgot what you call it, little bracket. As you can see here on my Panasonic. This is my Panasonic S1H rig and cage. Mostly all of this stuff is a small rig, but this is how it looks when it's mounted like this. But back to the monitor itself. The build of it, all plastic, pretty light. You know, I see people in different videos talking about, you know, if you start making this stuff out of metal and stuff like that, you know, you don't want a lot of heavy stuff on your camera, on your rig. So, you know, this plastic feels okay to me. Again, I've already, of course, unboxed this, and I've actually taken it out in the daylight, and with the screen, I mean, that 400, most monitors, a lot of monitors, budget monitors that I've been looking at before I got this one, were like 450 nits, which is not, they're fine inside, indoors. But once you get outside, you need something like 1,000 nits and above. And this monitor does not disappoint out here in this daylight right here. It looks pretty good in this bright light out here in the daylight, with the 100% by the screen being 100% brightness. So I've been eyeing these things for a while. It was just that some of the other budget monitors were cheaper, but they weren't that bright. In videos that I have been watching on here on YouTube, and I'm going to do probably a more thorough review. I may do a more thorough review of this monitor. If you want to catch that, make sure you subscribe, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. But yeah, build quality seems pretty good, and this is just my initial impressions of this monitor. But with that being said, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing, hit that thumbs up button, and until the next video, peace out.